Picture this, Mumbai, a regular evening, and suddenly the entire vibe shifts. Lights, cameras, couture, and boom. Jio World Plaza turns into a full-blown fashion runway meet Bollywood red carpet. And the reason? The India premiere of The Devil Wears Prada 2, a sequel that already comes with insane legacy and even bigger expectations. Now, this wasn't your usual film screening, this was a statement event. A full fashion cinema fusion where every guest clearly understood the assignment. Because when it's Prada, you don't just show up, you show out. Leading the charge, of course, was Karan Johar, and let's be honest, if there's anyone in Bollywood who can match Miranda Priestley's energy in real life, it's Joe. He stepped in wearing a sharp power blazer, owning the carpet like it was his personal runway. Very editor-in-chief meets Bollywood royalty. And then came the style parade. Tamannaah Bhatia walked in looking like she walked straight out of a high fashion editorial. Red structured top with sharp shoulders, styled with a sleek leather skirt, bold, unapologetic, and impossible to miss. Right behind her, Dia Mirza kept it classy with white dress elegance, proving once again that sometimes simplicity is the loudest statement. You had Huma Qureshi bringing power dressing with an edge, Sunny Leone adding that extra sparkle to the night. Then came names like Soha Ali Khan, Riya Chakrabarti, Nimrit Kaur, Karishma Tanna, Pragya Kapoor, and Mithila Palkar, each bringing their own interpretations. And honestly, it felt less like a premiere and more like a curated Fashion Week moment. Even the fashion heavyweights showed up, names from the industry, designers, global brand heads, everyone adding to that luxe international vibe. Because this wasn't just about a film, it was about celebrating a fashion phenomenon. Now, cut to the global scene. Just before this, New York had its own iconic moment with the original queens returning. Meryl Streep stepping back into that icy Miranda Priestley aura, and a Hathaway bringing Andy Schatz, evolved, grown up, and Emily Blunt serving sharp, signature Emily Charlatan energy. Add to that surprise appearances and global fashion icons, and suddenly the sequel isn't just a film. It's a worldwide cultural moment, and honestly, it makes sense. Because the original Devil Wears Prada wasn't just a movie, it was a moment. From that iconic monologue to Miranda's cold stare that could freeze time, it shaped how we looked at fashion, power, and ambition. Now, nearly 2 decades later, the sequel is stepping in with even bigger stakes, pitting Miranda against a changing media world and Andy right at the center of it. And the excitement? It's already translating into numbers. Advance bookings are open, paid previews are kicking off, and the buzz is very real. Multiplexes are gearing up, audiences are curious, and fashion lovers are ready to relive and reinvent the Prada magic. Back in Mumbai though, the night belonged to the look, the vibe, and the unmistakable feeling that Bollywood and global fashion just collide in the best way possible. So the big question now, who really nailed the night? Was it Karan Johar's boss energy, Tamannaah's bold glamour, or Dia Mirza's timeless elegance? Because one thing's clear, if this premiere was anything to go by, The Devil Wears Prada 2 isn't just coming for the box office, it's coming for the culture.